What's up, everybody? So today we are at the Queen Mary for the Night Lights event hosted by Larry Chen. Doing this voiceover a few days later, but I am shooting with the Sony ZV-E10 and the Tamron 17-70 f2.8. My goal for this trip was to see how the ZV-E10 with the f2.8 performs in low light. I haven't done a whole lot of night photography, so I really wanted to see how that performs. I do want to do a better job at talking while I'm filming the POVs, so this little voiceover thing that I'm doing isn't going to be the norm. Either way, I had a lot of fun at this shoot. The ZV-E10 performed pretty good. I actually didn't realize, but my ISO was set at like 500 for these first couple shots, so there is some noise. I didn't use noise reduction in the post-processing for these early shots, but for the night stuff, I did use noise reduction, and I think they came out fantastic. But overall, I'm pretty happy with the performance of the ZV-10. Enjoy the next few shots, and then we're gonna get to some of the drift cars come in a little bit later in the video, and then it starts getting darker, and we can see the real performance of the ZV-E10. Excuse me? You guys know which way the drift cars are coming from?
That's what I'm trying to figure out. I think from here, look, because you see the freeway.
I
feel they're
assume.
gonna come through here.
Yeah.
And look, that thing's open, so they're gonna go through here.
Oh, that would make sense.
I think so.
Probably right.
Yeah, I think
because that's too much traffic to go through the way that we came in.
There, they're gonna come through here.
Yeah.
So I'm always gonna wait here.
I mean, they've got to come down and cross the bridge, because if all these cones are set up here, we might be able to get a good spot. Man, this is a gamble. Oh, I see police cars over there. They might actually be coming through that side if there's a if they have an escort. That would make sense too. I see some cars coming in that way. Yeah, there they go. Dang, we picked wrong. I guess we'll jog it. Try to sneak in here. Excuse me. This is about the spot that I started using noise reduction on all of the photos. The before shots, there's no noise reduction, so you'll be able to see what happens and how good the noise reduction does. The drift cars came in. I picked wrong, as you saw earlier in the video. I was really running around trying to figure out what direction they would come in from, and I was wrong. So some of the POV shots are just me in the crowd, but working on getting better shots and getting in better positions. I had a good time though. This is my first time seeing the drift cars up close. And then tomorrow, well, it's already happened for me, but the day after this was Formula Drift Day 1, and then I attended Day 2 as well. So I'll have a video out for that. Also, we're gonna talk about, it was my first time shooting motorsports photography, so we're gonna talk about how that went, what I learned, and what I would do better. We're a few weeks down the line now, and I've shot multiple drifting events, some motorcycle stuff. Again, I'll have videos for all of those as well, but I fell in love with motorsports photography immediately after this weekend. So I'm gonna be making a lot more drifting content, motorsports content, because I do like it a lot better than portrait photography. I really like portrait photography, still gonna do that, and I'll still take you guys to various conventions. I'm actually going to San Diego Comic-Con in a couple of months, so probably make a video for that and take you guys along with me. The cosplay scene there is not super big, so we'll see how that goes, but I'll still be doing that kind of stuff. But right now, motorsports has taken over. Now back to the ZV-E10. All the shots you guys have been seeing since the drift cars have been shot at ISO 500. That gets bumped up. It starts getting into like the 1200, 2500. We even get up to ISO 8000 during this shoot, but the noise reduction I think does a fantastic job, at least for the uses that I'm using. For commercial use, probably not the best performance, but for what I'm doing for social media stuff, and then for smaller clients and smaller work, I think this camera performs really well. And this is right about where we had to start cranking the ISO. I think from now on, we're shooting between 3200 and 8000. So I was pretty happy with the noise reduction afterwards. Wasn't super happy with the noise on the actual raw files, but it's about what I expected. There's not a whole lot you can do shooting APS-C in low light, other than get better lighting or try to fix it in post. So that's what I tried to do. And again, just happy with the results. Let me know if you guys like this style of video. I'm going to try some different formats. Let me know which ones you kind of like, which ones you don't like, what I can do better, trying to improve, figure out how I'm going to do this channel with photography. And yeah, so enjoy the rest of the shots. Just wanted to show you guys the event. I had a great time. And then subscribe if you want to see the Formula Drift video coming out in a few days. See you guys in the next one.